Namaste students, I JVN Indu, Assistant Professor, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapit Women's University. Today, I will discuss about De Morgan's theorem. First of all, see the statement of De Morgan's theorem. According to De Morgan's theorem, a NAND gate is equivalent to an OR gate with inverted inputs. Means a NAND gate can be equivalent to an OR gate with inverted inputs. Similarly, an OR gate is equivalent to an AND gate with inverted inputs. According to De Morgan's theorem, a NAND gate is equivalent to an OR gate with inverted inputs, and a NOR gate is equivalent to an AND gate with inverted inputs. First of all, see what is the meaning of this. First of all, we will draw a NAND gate. This is two input NAND gate. The output of this NAND gate will be AB whole bar. We know that NAND gate is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. So first of all, A and B will multiply. After that, NOT gate will invert the multiplication of AB. So according to De Morgan's theorem, a NAND gate is equivalent to an OR gate with inverted inputs. So now we will draw an OR gate. With inverted inputs. So we will use bubbles at input side. So the output of this OR gate will be A bar plus B bar. Now see how the AB whole bar is equivalent to A bar plus B bar. So we will prove it. First of all, we will write the inputs. So AB are inputs. There are two inputs. So how many combinations are possible? Four combinations. First of all, we will find AB whole bar. First of all, we will multiply A with B. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. Now, we will find AB whole bar. It means we will do complement of this column. Here 0, its complement will be 1. 0, its complement will be 1. 0, its complement will be 1. Here 1, its complement will be 0. So this is the AB whole bar. Now we will find A bar plus B bar. So to find A bar plus B bar, we need A bar, B bar. So first of all, we will find the complement of A. Here 0, its complement will be 1. Then 1, then 0, 0. Now we will find B bar. Here 0, its complement will be 1. 1, its complement will be 0. 0, its complement will be 1. 1, its complement will be 0. Now we will find A bar plus B bar. It means we will add A bar with B bar. 1 plus 1 will be 1. 1 plus 0 will be 1. 0 plus 1 will be 1. 0 plus 0 will be 0. See, AB, this is the AB whole bar. And this is the A bar plus B bar. Both columns are same. The values of in this column and in this column is same. So we can say that the statement of De Morgan's theorem till date is proved. So the statement of De Morgan's theorem, according to that, a NAND gate is equivalent to an OR gate with inverted inputs. So, and true. Now, we will see this next. Similarly, according to De Morgan's theorem, a NOR gate is equivalent to an AND gate with inverted inputs. So first of all, we will draw a NOR gate. This is the two input NOR gate. AP are the inputs and output of this NOR gate will be A plus B whole bar. We know that NOR gate is the combination of OR gate and NOT gate. So OR gate will add A and B, and NOT gate will complement NOT gate will do complement of A plus B. So according to De Morgan's theorem, NOR gate is equivalent to an AND gate with inverted inputs. So we will draw AND gate with inverted inputs. These bubbles we are using for inverted inputs. So the output of this AND gate will be AB A bar into B bar. Now see how it is possible. So we will prove this. Here two inputs. It means four combinations are possible. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. Then we will find A plus B. It will be 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. Then complement of A plus B. So we will do complement of this column. 1, 0, 0, 0. Now we will find A bar dot B bar. So first of all, we will find A bar. A bar will be, we will do complement of this column. So we will get 1, 1, 0, 0. Now we will find B bar. So we will do complement of this column. So it will be 1, 0, 1, 0. Now we will find A bar dot B bar. So we will multiply A bar with B bar. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 0, 0. So this is the A bar dot B bar. Now see, A plus B whole bar is equivalent to A bar dot B bar. So hence proved. In short, from the De Morgan's theorem, we can write AB whole bar is equals to A bar plus B bar. Second, A plus B whole bar is equivalent to A bar dot B bar. So you have to remember these 2 points. I hope you are satisfied with my 2 days digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment section and I will resolve it on the live session. Thank you.